All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at Kaspa here. So, the big question for Kaspa is the top end for now. It may be looking here on the 15-minute chart, this huge spike up here on this small time frame, but ultimately, you could see it is still making lower highs and lower lows here on Kaspa in this shorter time frame here. So it is starting to turn bearish, as you can see here. So going back over to the daily chart, and just something real quick to look at. We were watching Kaspa off of this nice uptrend, and then we were watching Kaspa in this bullish ascending triangle pattern here, where we kept getting stuck around this 5-1 to 5 cent price area here, where this red box is. And then we finally, after pointing out that this is probably the last time to buy around this 5 cent area, this thing just took off. So with that said, the momentum is clearly down at the moment. We just took out the 236 at 8.5. The Heikinashi candles here have rolled over to red on the day. That could still change and roll back over to green, of course. So we'll see, but it has shifted to the downside, the trend that is, and we can see that we do have a pretty bullish wick forming here, so it just remains to be seen. Over the next 9 hours, this could turn into a giant wick. We could hold the 8.5. A number of things could happen here on Kaspa. But right now, off of this wick to the upside at 9.9, it is starting to roll over to being at least short-term bearish. So what we're going to simply do here with this downwards momentum is drawing a fib from the low here to the high. You can see that red box that we spoke about a while ago. We do have our 786 down here. So if Kaspa is going to come down here and end up testing all of that resistance at this level as now a support area, you could see that Kaspa could be in store for a 786 retracement here. So there is a potential that Kaspa drops down to your 382, which it almost tagged here on that wick for where you are right now, about an 8% drop. And if you end up coming down to that 382 and holding 077, you're still bullish for a push higher. But I would say any lower than 77, you're in store for a deeper retracement. You can see the 7 level at the 0.5 is a 16% drop. Your 618 retracement at 6 is a 24% drop. And then if we come back down here to test this area as support, you can see a 786 retracement back down to 5.3 for potentially a 36% drop here on Kaspa. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I would say watch these price levels here. Any lower than 7.7, then I would say that is definitely in play. So we could end up coming down here holding this and then going back up, of course, holding the 382 and just going sideways and just kind of chopping around. Those are both possibilities, of course. But like I already said, any lower than the 382 here, then you're probably in store for something like this. And we may end up coming down and retesting this box, retesting the uptrend here, and then we start going back up, of course. So that is a possibility. So we may get one more chance to get Kaspa down at the low 5 cent level here. So if you missed out on Kaspa, it is still time. I would say it's still time to buy right now because Kaspa is going to be a better play in the long run. But if we get that nice pullback, we get any of these levels here would be a nice chance to load your positions up. But with that said, none of this is financial advice ever on the channel here. It's just for entertainment, just pointing out what my opinion is and what I think the chart could potentially tell us where the price is going. So I would watch these levels here, and if for some reason this does turn into a giant wick, then of course Kaspa will have a shot at breaking the high here at 9.9 and moving up about 17%, and then we'll just kind of take it from there and draw some new levels to watch. So with that said, not financial advice. Good luck everyone, and we will see you in the next update. Peace out.